Hi, seventh graders. Today and tomorrow you are going to be working on the photosynthesis lab stations. So today you're going to start with the input stations. The input stations are on the left-hand side here. You want to do all 4 of those stations before you move on to the output stations that are on the right-hand side. Okay, you'll probably get through maybe 3 of them today or 4, and then do the other 4 or 5 tomorrow. The challenge aid in the back of the room here is extra. You do not have to do it. It's not required, but you can do it if you would like an extra challenge. Right? So the first station is Watch It. So on the Watch It station, you're going to click on this video link here and then answer these 3 questions as you watch the video. You're going to answer them over here in these boxes on the side. Just type your answer right in the correct blank. There is audio on here if you want to listen to me read the questions to you. The second station is the Read It station, and this is actually 3 slides long. So what you're going to do as you read through this page and the next page, part 2 is on the next page, you can either read it or listen to the audio. And you're going to type or draw something on the side here for each of these terms. So in order to draw, you can use the scribble button, and you find this if you click up here on this line and then go down to the bottom. Sorry, my camera's in the way there. And you can hit scribble and it will kind of let you draw something in there. The next slide goes along with that. It's the same thing. It's not letting me click. There we go. And then the third slide that goes with that, slide 5, is the questions that go with the Read It. Again, there's audio. You can listen to me read you those questions. And then just answer each question by putting the correct letter over here on the side. Next station is the Explore It station. And this one's kind of fun. What you are doing is you are going to, each of these things over here is representing an atom. So what you are going to do is you are going to build the photosynthesis equation and identify the reactants side and the product side of the equation. Okay, so we know that this is the photosynthesis equation up here on the top. So first you need to build 6 carbon dioxides and drag those in, and you can just drag them in there. Okay, it's not letting me drag them, but okay. And then same thing with all of these. And then you're going to drag the reactants and products and also put the sunshine where it goes. If you're not sure, if you click back in the Read It, this equation is in there as well. Then the Explore It part 2, you're going to answer the questions based on what you just built. So you are going to just answer these questions over here on the side. Next station is Research It. So you're going to go to this website and you are going to describe the steps of photosynthesis using the information from the animation. Then you have the Organize It. Now this is the first output station. So for this one, you are going to drag the correct definition from over here to where it goes in the correct box. Okay, so you match up the terms with the definitions. Illustrate It. It says draw a picture of a green plant that shows what happens in the leaf during photosynthesis. Add arrows to indicate the directions the reactants and products move. Make sure you have labeled the carbon dioxide, oxygen, water, sun's energy, and glucose. So what you can do is you can either do like a Google Draw and then insert it into here, or you can draw it on a sheet of paper and take a picture and upload it. And then the next slide explains to you how to do that if you need help. Then we have the Write It. So based on what you've learned, you're going to answer these 3 questions. I do have audio on these if you need me to read the questions to you, if you prefer to listen. And then the last station is the Assess It. So for Assess It, you're just answering the questions and putting the letter of the correct answer over on the side. And part 2 of the Assess It, you are filling in the blanks and just write the correct term over here. And you can find these terms up in the Read It, on the Read It side. The next part after this is the Challenge It part. This is optional, so you can choose to do some of these if you want some more practice. All right, so let us know if you have any questions or if you need help with anything, and have fun.